Hey, today we're going to make the greatest gluten-free chocolate chip cookies you've ever had. And they're just great, even if they weren't gluten-free. So we're going to start with some almond flour, some salt, and some baking soda. Now we're going to get that all mixed up really well. Get the clumps out of the almond flour, and then we want to make sure it's all very incorporated. Just really, 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 really good. I got to drink less coffee. Okay. Then we're going to take this here room temperature butter, if I can get it open, and we're going to put it into the KitchenAid. We're going to add the sugar, and then we're going to add the molasses, and we're going to take that, and we're going to put the paddle attachment on there. If I can figure it out, I got to move that butter. Sometimes you got to move your butter, you know. Get the paddle attachment on there, and we're going to cream this butter and sugar together for like 3 to 4 minutes and get it all fluffy and creamy, you know, kind of like, you know, you see how that's going? Like that. So then we're going to take what we've creamed here, and we're going to add the dry ingredients, the almond flour, then the incorporated with the salt and baking soda, and we're going to, on low, we're just going to churn that about until it's all incorporated together. We don't want to whip it. So then we're going to put in our chocolate chips, and we're going to fold those in with a spatula because, again, we don't want to whip it and break things up. See? Like that. Great. Now, set your oven to 350 and preheat it. Get your dough and make a ball like that. Mash the ball like that. And make a cookie shape, like that. Put it on the tray, like that. See? No problem. So once you've got a tray full of cookies, you stick them in the oven, and then you cook them. And when they come out, they look like this. Golden, chocolate chip laden, ready. They're ready. Okay, that one's a little overcooked, but hey, nobody's perfect. These cookies are phenomenal. It doesn't matter that they're gluten-free. They're just great cookies. I highly recommend them, and I think you should try them. And they go quickly at my house. Look at that delicious cookie. It doesn't last long here. Mm-hmm.